Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly while others struggle? What separates them? The answer lies in two crucial elements: vision and goals. Let's start with vision. Picture it as a blueprint for your future. It's the grand plan, the big picture of what you want your life to look like. Your vision is your destination, your why, the reason you get out of bed every morning. It's the guiding light that keeps you on track amidst the chaos of everyday life. Now let's talk about goals. If your vision is the destination, then your goals are the stepping stones that get you there. They are the tangible, measurable, achievable tasks that you set for yourself. Goals give form to your vision, turning abstract dreams into concrete actions. They provide the roadmap that guides you towards your vision, one step at a time. The importance of having a clear vision and well-defined goals cannot be overstated. They act as the foundations of success. Without them, even the most talented individuals can find themselves lost, unsure of where they're heading or how to get there. Your vision gives you direction, providing a clear idea of where you want to go. It allows you to focus your energy on what truly matters, filtering out distractions. Your goals, on the other hand, give you a sense of progress. Each goal achieved is a milestone, a tangible reminder that you're moving closer to your vision, that you're on the right track. Together, your vision and goals form a powerful duo. They provide clarity, motivation, and a sense of purpose. They transform the daunting journey of 1,000 miles into a series of manageable steps, each step bringing you closer to your desired future. So, whether you're an entrepreneur starting a new venture, a student planning your career, or anyone looking to make a change in your life, remember, your vision and goals are your most valuable tools. They are the compass guiding your journey, the roadmap to your success. Just like a ship without a compass, a person without a vision and goals drifts aimlessly through life. So, what exactly is a vision? Is it mere daydreaming or something more concrete? Now that's a question worth pondering. Let's delve into this concept together. A vision is more than just a fleeting thought. It's a clear and inspiring long-term desired change that originates from an individual or an organization. It's a well-defined mental image of what the future could be like, based on the values and aspirations we hold dear. This isn't about predicting the future with absolute certainty. That's a job for fortune tellers, not visionary thinkers. Instead, envisioning is about crafting a compelling picture of what we want our future to look like. It's about daring to dream and then translating that dream into a concrete and achievable reality. Now, this might sound a bit grand, maybe even a little intimidating, but don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. The beauty of a vision is that it's flexible. It can evolve and grow with you, adapting to new circumstances and insights. But why is a vision so important? Well, a vision acts as a guiding light, a beacon that keeps us on track. It provides direction and helps us make decisions that align with our long-term objectives. Without a vision, we risk losing our way, getting swept up in the currents of everyday life and losing sight of our true destination. But with it, we can navigate the tumultuous seas of life with purpose and determination. A vision is a powerful tool in our life's toolbox. It can inspire us, motivate us, and give us a sense of purpose. It can bring clarity to our actions, helping us understand why we do what we do and where we're headed. It's the compass that guides us on our journey towards success. So the next time you catch yourself daydreaming, don't dismiss it. Your daydreams might just be the seeds of a powerful vision. Nurture them, give them space to grow, and who knows, they might blossom into a vision that changes your world. Remember, a vision is not just a picture of what could be, it is an appeal to our better selves, a call to become something more. While a vision gives direction, goals give us the path. But how do we set effective goals? Well, a common method used by successful individuals and organizations alike is setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. First, let's talk about the specific in SMART. To set a specific goal, you need to answer the 5 W questions. What do you want to achieve? Why is it important? Who is involved? Where is it located? Which resources or limits are involved? A specific goal could be, I want to increase my company's social media following by 30% in the next 6 months. It's clear, concise, and leaves no room for ambiguity. Next, we have measurable. A goal without a measurable outcome is like a sports competition without a scoreboard or scorekeeper. Numbers are an essential part of business. Put concrete numbers in your goals to know if you're on track. For instance, instead of saying, I want to read more books, say, I want to read 12 books in a year. Then we have achievable. It's good to shoot for the stars, but don't be too unrealistic. You want to set goals that are challenging yet achievable. Consider what you can realistically accomplish, and make sure your goal meets those standards. Relevant is our next keyword. Your goals should be relevant to what you want to achieve in the long run. They should align with your values and long-term objectives. And finally, time-bound. Every goal needs a target date so that you have a deadline to focus on and something to work toward. This part of the SMART goal criteria helps to prevent everyday tasks from taking priority over your longer-term goals. So there you have it. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They act as a roadmap, guiding you towards your vision. Each goal you achieve is a milestone on your journey, a sign that you're moving in the right direction. Goals are the milestones by which reality finds its way to a vision. Vision and goals, while distinct, work hand in hand. But how exactly do they complement each other? Think of your journey towards success as a 1,000-mile road trip. Your vision is your destination, the place you see in the distance, the point you're aiming for. It's the glittering city on the horizon, the mountaintop, the moon. It's the grand, inspiring image of the future you want to create. Your goals, however, are the roadmap. They're the step-by-step directions, the milestones you pass, the landmarks you use to navigate. They're the practical, measurable, achievable actions you take to reach your vision. Together, vision and goals create a powerful synergy that can propel you forward. Your vision gives your goals meaning and purpose, turning them from mere tasks into steps on the path to something greater. It's the North Star that guides your way, the dream that gives you the motivation to keep going even when the road gets tough. Meanwhile, your goals give your vision form and substance. They break down the grandeur of your vision into manageable chunks, making it less daunting and more achievable. They're the stepping stones that turn your dream into a reality. However, the absence of one can hinder progress. Just as a ship without a destination can drift aimlessly, a vision without goals can leave you lost, unsure of how to turn your dream into reality. You might have a clear picture of what you want, but without a plan, you'll struggle to get there. On the other hand, goals without a vision can feel meaningless and uninspiring. They're just tasks, things to do. You might be moving, but without a clear destination in mind, you're just going through the motions. You're driving without knowing where you're headed. So remember, vision and goals are the perfect duo. They complement each other, each one making the other stronger. They're the yin and yang of success. The dream and the plan, the destination and the journey. Vision without goals is like a dream without a plan, while goals without vision are merely tasks. So we've traveled through the concepts of vision and goals, but what are the key takeaways from our journey? In our voyage of discovery, we've come to understand that vision is the big picture. It's the panoramic view of what we aspire to be, what we dream to achieve. It's the guiding star that lights our way, providing direction when we're lost and motivation when we're weary. Whether it's for an individual, a business, or an organization, a clear vision is a beacon that illuminates the path ahead, revealing the potential of what can be. But a vision, however grand, is just a dream, unless it's transformed into reality. And that's where goals come into play. Goals are the stepping stones that bridge the chasm between where we are now and where we want to be. They are the milestones that mark our progress, the markers that tell us we're moving in the right direction. And not just any goals, but SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Goals that are clear and concise, that can be tracked and measured, that are realistic and attainable. Goals that align with our vision and are constrained by time, thus creating a sense of urgency and a call to action. We've also learned that vision and goals are not solitary entities, but a dynamic duo. They are two halves of a whole, each complementing and enhancing the other. Vision without goals is like a ship without a rudder, aimlessly drifting in the sea of dreams. Goals without vision are like trees without roots, unable to withstand the storms of challenges and difficulties. Together they form a powerful synergy, a potent combination that propels us forward towards success. In essence, vision and goals are your compass and roadmap to the destination called success. So chart your course and embark on your journey.